Hi, are you thinking about living in Canton, Georgia? You've come to the right place. I'm Shauna Sherrill. I'm a realtor in the area, and my team and I help buyers just like you every single day in making a smooth move to Canton. And you know what? Everyone needs an advocate on their side to help them through the buying process, and that is exactly what we do. So, subscribe to the channel so you're the first to know when we have new tours coming out, and call me, text me, email me, or schedule a chat, and let's talk and get you moving in this direction. Now today, if you are interested in 55 and older communities, we are at Soleil at Belmont in Canton, and we're going to tour the Pearson model. It's 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a study, and it's just under 2,400 square feet. Now let's go in and take a tour. Okay, let's get started on this tour. As you can see, there's a nice little front covered patio and a front-facing 2-car garage. Coming into the home, there is a dining room to your right, the study here to the left. They can do some custom changes if you desire and make that study into a 3rd bedroom. On the hallway here, you have a half bath and a coat closet. You come right into this open living area. It's beautiful. Lots of windows, natural light. Check out this kitchen. Huge island. Breakfast area. Lots of space in here. This is a sunroom. Goes right out to a covered patio. You know, this is one of my favorite rooms in this house. I just love sitting here and the natural light that's coming through all the windows. One of the great things too about these homes is that they're on almost 1/3 of an acre lot. So you've got plenty of space in between your homes, and it's a conservation area. So there's many acres that will never be developed, so it's very private. Now let's see the rest of this level. Nice barn door entering the back part of the home. We're right in this primary suite, which is just lovely. You have dual vanities here. They're separated, so you have your own space. Nice frameless glass shower. Your water closet. Your linen closet. And your primary closet with closet system. Now just down from the primary suite is your 2nd bedroom with its ensuite bath. Subway tile going all the way up, and a walk-in closet. Now here's where you would come in from your garage. A mud bench here. Great size laundry room. Lots of cabinets. Area for the pups. More storage space. And another coat closet. This is your garage. And let's take a run upstairs. You know what? Before we run upstairs, I missed showing you the pantry and the butler's pantry. So this is in between the kitchen and the dining area. So you have a nice sized pantry here and a butler's pantry. So you have plenty of space for storage, and also for doing all the entertaining that you'd like to do. And as you get to the top of the stairs, you have one additional bedroom. Or this could be a flex room, anything that you need it to be. Well, that concludes our tour of the Pearson model here at Soleil Belmont. If we can help you with this or any other home in the Canton area, be sure to reach out. All of my contact information is below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when additional tours come forward. See you soon.